Hey, Sunny Isle review fans. In this review, we're diving into the adorable world of Old MacDonald, Baby Animals by CoComelon JJ's Animal Time. Join JJ and his friends as they explore the farm, meet cute baby animals, and sing along to the classic Old MacDonald tune with a fun twist.
The vibrant animations, lovable animal characters, and catchy lyrics make this video a delightful watch for kids and families alike.
Watch the video in the link below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun-filled nursery rhyme and kids song reviews.